things to a tree.
The world is well balanced like karma is. Do you fight freedom on the front line where the army is? Or in your mind open in the left part of this? I feel it in between my bones just like the cartilage. When I'm parting this world I won't be sad. The true gift was the blessing of life that I've had. You can think that I'm mad, oh leave some hippie shit. It took a lot of changes in me to consider it. Inspired by an old ancient manuscript. The Mayans did predict, but can you handle it? It's a sign of the times that's hidden in the lines. The description is what the indigenous define. As sure as the sun will shine and the rain falling, the balance is untold in this life we're all in. On this misty morning I zone at one with the things that's molded how I've grown.
Looking at the bigger picture, there'll always be people like Hitler. And balancing it out, Mother Teresa trying to fix the world. And Gandhi making sure the scales don't tip to the darker side. But that's just the mixing life.